நல்ல மனமுட்டா மாமலர நோக்குட்டா மேனி நுடங்காது பூக்கொண்டு துப்பா திருமேனி தும்பிக்கையால் பாதம் தப்பாமல் சார்வார் தமக்கு விஸ்வः தஸ்ய விதுர்வரேண்யம் भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ विश्वः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव ईश्वरः गुरु शास्त्रं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Thank you, Samiksha. A very cheerful morning to my teacher and my dear friends. Today, prayer activity is going to perform by 10th student. I call T. Harnitish to deliver a speech on World Conservation Day.
Good morning to everyone present over here. Today I am going to talk about the World Nature Conservation Day. It seems to be that the natural world is the greatest source of excitement. It is the greatest source of visual beauty. It is the source and the base of human well-being and development. Every year on 28th July, the world celebrates World Natural Conservation Day. It aims at increasing awareness of the natural resource that the earth is bestowed with and the need to ensure their long-term protection. Ensuring a healthy, productive, and sustainable environment is at the base of ensuring stable societies and guarantee for the well-being present and future generations. Conservation is a cause that has no end. There is no point at which we will say our work is finished. We should start our own garden on World Nature Conservation Day, acknowledge that a healthy environment is a foundation for a stable and healthy society. Make it an your balcony to grow organic fruits and vegetables that are mostly consumed domestically. Everyone should plant one tree. We shouldn't celebrate it on this day alone. We need to make our earth greeny and be friendly. Thank you.
Thank you, Harinitish. An honest person can face any situation through confidence and courage in their life. I call my friend Rishi to present a story on honesty.
Rishi, story Rishi.
Good morning, friends. Today I was on the Indian movie here is morning. Aya,
Start. Start Rishi. Rishi. Rishi, Rishi கேக்குதா? Next.
Next, here comes V. Sanjay Kumar to tell a poem on honesty in Hindi.
नमस्ते। आप मैं यह हिंदी में ईमानदारी के कविता सुनाने आए हूँ। ईमानदारी ईमानदारी एक महान गुण है। यह भावना हो सकता है लाभ पाने के लिए थोड़ा बेईमान होना। यदि आप ज्ञान को महत्व देते हैं आपकी ईमानदारी किसी का ध्यान नहीं जाएगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sanjay Kumar. I hope you all enjoyed our prayer activity. Thank you for this golden opportunity. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.